fastest I've ever ran in my whole entire life. Wait up. Ugh, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, you have no stamina, Marlow. Ugh, Daphne, that's not nice. Well, we have been running for a day now, and we do need to find some water somewhere. Ugh. Yeah, I guess. We'll find that in the morning. Well, are we gonna find a home tonight? Maybe somewhere to stay. Okay. Come on, let's keep looking. Okay. Yeah. How about here? This is a good spot. Here, what's so good about here? Well, there's shelter, deer, and it's kind of hidden away, I guess. Well, I guess I dibs going in first. Yeah. Well, it's screechy in here. Hey, now there's no more room for me. Well, I don't know. You can just stay watch tonight, I guess. Stay watch. What do you mean? Well, there might be some dangerous things out here. I guess. But I'm gonna go in the bed soon. I don't care if I'm squashing you. Well, I'll be prepared. Yeah, right. You'll be sleeping. What was that? There's probably nothing. You're just overreacting. I'm positive I heard something. I don't think I saw anything. It's too dark. Don't worry, it was nothing. I'm gonna go look. Stay safe. Don't worry, I will. Maybe this place is good. It's a bit dirty around here. I don't know, it's a bit exposed. What's this stench? Maybe there's a good house around here somewhere. I'm getting kind of tired. I don't think I should waste my energy anymore. I'm gonna head back. What do we have here? Dog. By the looks of it. And smells of it. I think I could use a little snack for tonight. I'm back. What? Oh. You're back, Daphne. I didn't find a good home for us. Well, probably not. You can't really see anything out here since it's nighttime. Yeah, I guess. Should I go look for some more homes, maybe, just in case? No, I think you should rest. You take the bed this time, and I'll guard. Okay. I'm so tired. Huh? What was that? Yeah, 2 dogs. Even better snack. Daphne, wake up! Oh, what is it? Some important? Oh my god! Daphne! Ow, get off of me! No! Ow! Ow! I guess I can't hunt dogs anymore. Daphne, are you okay? Daphne? I'm fine. Don't worry. What happened? The creature came out of nowhere. I don't know what it was. I don't think we can stay here for the night. Well, then where do we go? I don't know. We'll probably have to keep on moving. Maybe a good spot. We might even have to walk through the night. Walk through the night? I mean, it's already kind of getting morning. The sun's kind of coming up. Not really, but yeah. Okay. When we get to our new home, it'd probably be morning, and we can probably sleep there. Okay. Let's go look for a new home then. Yeah. Hopefully we find a good home. And it better be soon.